Our topic is about dimmer switch. I will show to you how to connect the wire, and we will try to see the difference of a LED lights and a dimmable valve. Why some LED lights are not dimmable? What is the reason behind? Always remember, electricity is dangerous, not to be toyed with. So, we'll start with line 1. Line 1, it will go to switch. Is a traveler on here. It will go to switch. This is our dimmer switch. And the other one put like this. Okay, we already line up the dimmer switch. Then it will go to bulb number 1. And we need a traveler going to bulb number 2. And then bulb number 2, which is this one. So we are finished line number 1. We need line number 2, which is this one, going to bulb number 1. And we need a tubular going to bulb number 2. We put this wire connector, and then going to bulb number 2. Okay, this is how we connect the dimmer switch. Okay, we will put bulb. We'll check again one more time. Line number 1 here, it will go to switch. This one switch will go to bulb number 1, and then we have a traveler going to bulb number 2. This one. Line number 2, we go to bulb number 1. This one, the traveler going to bulb number 2. As always said, always use multimeter if you are not sure with your connection. Let's try to start. If this one is working, I'll switch on. I'll switch on. Okay. I will turn on the switch pulley, and it will shine 100% capacity. And if I reduce, the shine will also reduce. This 50%, 20. That is how the dimmer switch work. How about the LED? We will see if the LED can also make a dim light. I will take out this one and I will put a LED bulb. Okay, I will pull. Okay, that is how a LED battery works in a full capacity. How about if I will reduce it? Can I reduce the power? No. It's all. You see? I cannot reduce the power of the LED. Okay. Now, I will take out one bulb so that you can see the LED are designed to either fully powered on and off. So if this LED is not designed for dimmer, it will flicker. So I'll put to full capacity and then I will reduce. You can see it's flickering because this LED is not designed for dimmer. It will only damage the LED bulb if you continue using these dimmer switch. Because LED bulbs don't have glowing filaments. When the dimmer switch goes off, or many times per second, the LED bulb becomes a flickering stroke light. This is the filament that we are talking about. Inside you can see a filament. Yeah, you can see the filament inside. That is the filament, so it can reduce. Unlike the LED, there's no filament. That's why it's flickering. But other LEDs is designed for dim light. That is why LEDs, lights or bulbs, are flickering. They are not designed for dimming. Most residential LED light bulbs are dimmable, but some are not. Just like what I showed to you. This is the difference between the LED bulb and the filament bulb. I hope you understand our topic is all about. Thank you for watching.